We are on a mission to make the loudest F80 in the world. Maybe we'll just put this big pipe on it. Clean culture, welcome back to the channel. Today I got my F80 outside and we are trying to make the loudest F80 M3 out there. Obviously we can install it ourselves at the Clean Culture Custom Shop. Hey, you need to get something done? Tap in, or we can get a sponsor like Valtronic or somebody. We are taking the car down to my boy G Exhaust to get some content, to get some networking. We have our Miami show coming up, you know what I mean? So we gotta show love to G. One of my personal cars. Listen, y'all don't see the personal cars often on the channel, but I'm trying to change that. F80 M3, my girl drives the car seat in the back, my Jit be in there chilling. You know, wifey kind of drives this car. I don't drive it often, but when I do, it sounds a little, I'm not gonna lie. Let me know how it sounds, chat. Man, it sounds good up the startup. I'll give you a little rev. That ain't it. I don't care if I don't drive the car enough, man. Maybe we'll just put this big pipe on it, pause. But hey, we're gonna head down to Miami, straight pipe this put an exhaust on it, go crazy at the shop. I want this popping like Oval Rickenbacker. Is that his name? I don't know. Popcorn. I want that. You know what it is. Yeah. What do you suggest, bro? I mean, I'll let you cook on this one. You know, usually
Let me see what's going on under there real quick. I might actually have a mid pipe in stock for your car, so that'll eliminate the mid section. Dude, I do not recommend straight piping it. I could if you want, but it's gonna be raspy as fuck. Those F bodies are fucking raspy.
The F bodies do sound like shit.
In my opinion, the F is probably one of the worst sounding Beamers of all time. They fixed it a little bit with the G bodies, so you gotta do it right. Down pipes, stock mid pipe, bullet resonators, stock muffler. I might actually have a mid pipe in stock we could just bolt on, and then we'll get rid of all this shit. I kind of want to leave the mufflers, bro, just to be safe, because if I get rid of these fucking mufflers, it's gonna sound like dog shit. I would have to do 4 individual tips. I could do, yeah, these tips ain't doing it. Factory, bro, factory Beamer shit. Fucking right up to those resonators.
You just have this shit laying around?
Yeah, bro, mid pipe, baby, with an H pipe. Bro, this might be the move right here. So I do have a mid pipe for an F body. We could even leave these resonators because you have down pipes. The problem is the looks. If we get rid of the tips, you might as well get rid of the muffler. To change 4 individual tips is a bitch. I could do it, it's just a bitch.
You're the expert. Mid pipe, cut that shit out. Let you do your thing, and then I guess I'll just continue to look pussy.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna give the keys over to G. Let him do his thing while we go eat and go to the shop real quick. We forgot something. So in the meantime, G, do your thing, gang. Go crazy. Loudest F80 M3 in the motherfucking country is what I'm looking for. Let's do it. Lunch was good. I am so excited to see and hear the F80. So let's go check that shit out real quick. I really wish the tips, pause, looked good. Now I got the stock looking tips and shit. How's it sound, bro?
It's already sick.
Sick?
Yeah, it's loud as fuck.
Loud as fuck?
Loud as fuck. It's right in the front.
Bet. We whack, yo, the loudest M3 G. Oh, G, I wish. F80. Don't lie to me, it better sound good. We got another M3 here, you know what I mean? Another Beamer in the front. Everyone getting right. Another Beamer, nah. Everyone just wanna pop, 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 pop. First startup, I didn't hear this shit yet either, so y'all gonna hear it when I hear it, you know what I mean? I'm truly excited to hear this bitch. I hope it doesn't sound too raspy, because when you start doing crazy exhaust shit to this car, the F80 shit, it be sounding mad, it be sounding like shit. That's why I never wanted to touch it. Downpipe tune, chilling, fuck, let's see, hopefully G knows what he's talking about. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh my God, I'm like a little kid in a candy store. You heard it before. Jorge, put a clip of it before. Clip. Now let's hear it. Let me hear it fresh off the start though. Come here. Is the key in this bitch though? fuck? No key. I'm pussy, bro. W business, man. They stole my shit. Night and day. Yo, they said night and day difference, chat. Oh my god. Yo, shout out Diesel, bro. X5 Diesel. That's the best car in the market. That's an older one. I've had 4 of them bitches, but I still got one to this day, bro. Oh my god, that's my truck sounds pussy. I gotta come back, G. Fresh off the wake up. Ready? Woo! Okay. Well, does it sound any different from the idle? I mean, a little purr, nothing crazy. Let's hear it. Hold on. He's gonna yell at me? Eh, fuck him. Yo, shout out G. Yo, that shit sounds crazy. Oh my god. I wanna hear it from the back. Pause. Take this shit for a drive, see what that shit sounded like. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out G, bro. This shit sounds crazy. Yo, you can actually hear, like, my ears was like clear. She was clearing my ears. It was so loud. It wasn't like a pop loud, but it was like a loud. Oh my god, that shit sounds crazy. Finally got an M sounding like an M, gang. It's just sound fire, right? Hide, bro. Shout out G, man. W setup. Come on, let's go for a ride. Come on, come on. I don't know if y'all can hear what we're hearing. This shit hitting. Shout out fucking G. We did it. Car's not stock, obviously. It's fucking tuned, downpipe. Now it's got a fucking exhaust, intakes. The crazy thing with this car, it's not like my other M, where it's like the V8 is so fucking loud and you can, like, this shit don't even sound like the car's on. No, you know what? I gotta start driving this car more. That's it. I probably have no tires in the rear now because they were already cooked. I gotta put the fucking 3-piece wheels on. Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm a hooper, bro. I got a ball. I mean, this is my son's shit, but I got shorts, shoes, and a ball at all times in any car, even the ones I don't drive. If I sink 1 or 3 shots, I get no tab. It's free ski. Free ski Friday. The hoop, yo, they made their own shit. Look at it. They made their own hoop with a fucking milk crate. Even Art was like, yo, it's got a milk crate. Bro. We from New York, gang. That's normal shit. Like, I'm about to, you'll see, that's normal, bro. Watch the forms. I really does this, all right? Think I'll make it? I get 1 out of 3 tries. If I make one, it's free. Free exhaust. Oh my God, I'm him. Been him. Oh my God. Who got next lane? It's over. Free exhaust. You wasn't lying. Night and fucking day. That shit sound crazy. I gotta go give G his flowers though, real quick. You know what I mean? I said it again. I'll say it before. Yo, that shit is night and day, bro. Yeah, you fucking.
That's all you need, bro.
And yo, I was kind of like in the back end. I was like, yeah, muffler, no.
Leave that shit.
Yeah, no. He made that shit sound that crazy and that loud with the fucking muffler,
with
bro.
The stock muffler. That's what we do. G exhaust. Hit us up, Davey, Oakland Park. We out here.
We outside. Clean culture. Like, comment, subscribe. You better. Yo, you better do that. Cause you know, happy holidays. Hope you had a good New Year. And we're gonna see you in the next one. We outside.